Hey, this is my contest entry for Songbirddiva4life. Okay, so I've already done my foundation and everything. Right now I have my jumbo pencil and milk. My hair is not done yet, and that will be in the pictures in the end. I just found out about your contest. I just subbed to you, so I'm going to try to get this done before the deadline. So I'm just going to get started. A lot of these looks are going to come off this 120 palette, and some using my Ice Studio by Maybelline. So we're just going to get right into this. Oh, where's our brush? All right. Oh. I'm taking my concealer brush, and I'm going to go into this purple, and I'm using my concealer brush exactly. That's because the flat edge of it is great to use, because I'm going to like kind of almost cut my crease for the purple that you see on the other side. Excuse my voice. I just smudged that up just like that. And I did that only to keep the line even of where I'm going to stop the color on the bottom and for the purple at the top. Oops, sorry, I'm gonna mess that up. I'm going into a pink now for my inner V. I keep forgetting to be in view of the camera, guys. I'm sorry. And I must say, I'm so glad that I found your channel. I enjoy watching your videos. And when I first seen this video for this, I was like, oh my god, her makeup is banging. Like, I love it. And I was going to attempt to put this in one of my copycat series that I do. And I'm like, I gotta do that. I have to. So now I'm doing it. I'm going into a lighter purple after the pink, which will be blended into the darker purple. And like I said, these are all colors coming off my 120 palette. Except for this purple that I'm going into now. This is by Urban Vibe. This pigment is very, very very shimmery. If I can get it out of there. There we go. Very shimmery. Because when I first started looking at my palette, if you can see here, well, you can't see it on my hand. I've been doing like little swatches all day. I've been watching your video, pausing and playing, pausing and playing, just to see if I can match colors. And this is what I came up with. So I'm hoping that you like. I really like the Purple Rain. The Purple Rain is what I'm going to do next, I believe. And I believe that you can enter your contest more than once. So I will be entering more than once. So now that I got the purple in there, I'm going to go back into the second purple. God, I'm sorry I'm not interviewing that camera. I'm really sorry. I touched the other side. Just, well, I did it on that one. There we go. I'm gonna blend a little blending. I'm gonna take my smudge brush and I'm going to go take a little bit of that, the black. It's like a smoky kind of glitter. I'm gonna go right in the corner here and smudge and roll, smudge and roll, and I'm gonna smudge that up just a little. There, as you can see, the smudge and roll. Like that. Now I'm going to go into this first color. This is almost like a white, it's almost like a white glitter, silver. It's really, really pretty. And that's what I'm going to do right over that blue that I put on there first. Take my concealer right back into that pink that I used. There we go, like that. Dun, 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 dun. Oh God, I'm out of view of the camera again. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm taking my smoky liquid liner. Not much, just a little. Time. Line stiletto, mascara. Like that. Liner pencil. And the reason I'm going so fast, I don't want to have to edit anything. Gemma Kid blush. And then a little bit with a bronzer that I have. And I'm all finished. And that's that. So now I'm going to style my hair and I'll come back with some pictures.